Hello, welcome to Subhedar Academy. Today we are going to continue that arithmetic progression topic. Here today we are going to discuss 5 marks important problems. 5 marks important, very important problems. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಚಾನೆಲ್ಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗ್ರಿ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮ್ಸಿರ್ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. So let's start the today's problem. So the sum of 4 consecutive numbers in AP is 32. This is a value of a 4. The sum of 4 consecutive number, and the ratio of the product of first and last term to the product of two middle terms is 7:15. Then we have to find those numbers. Then we have to find those 4 numbers. So here consider 4 consecutive numbers. 4 consecutive numbers. A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, and A plus 3D. These are 4 consecutive numbers. So here first statement is the sum of 4 consecutive numbers. The sum of these. So given the sum of 4 consecutive numbers is equal to 32. So that is here our 4 consecutive numbers are these. So sum of these. So A minus 3D plus A minus D plus A plus D plus A plus 3D is equal to 32. Now simplify this one. We get here A plus A, 2A plus 3A plus A, 4A. So 1A, 2A, 1A, 1A, 2A, 2A plus 1A, 3A, 3A plus 1A is 4A is equal to, plus. Here minus 3D minus D minus 4D minus 4D plus D. Here plus D minus D get cancelled. Minus 3D plus 3D get cancelled. We remains with only 4A is equal to 32. Then what is A value here? A is equal to 4 ones are 4 8s are. So A is equal to 8. So A is equal to 8. Now we have to find D also. To find those numbers, 4 consecutive numbers, we need first term as well as a common difference. So therefore we got here first term, that is A is equal to 8. Then what about second term? D. We have to find D also, right? So and second statement is here given. Again given anything, the ratio of the product of the first and last term. Here our first term is A minus 3D and A plus 3D, first term and last term. The product of those two, A minus 3D, A plus 3D, the ratio of, so whole divided by middle two terms, these are middle two terms, right? A minus D, A plus D is equal to, it is given, that is 7 by 15, 7 by 15, right? Now simplify this one. A plus B into A minus B form. So we know that A square minus B square, that is A square minus 9D square divided by A square minus D square, numerator and denominator. So this is equal to 7 by 15. Now solve for D. We have to solve for this one D. Cross multiply, we get 15 A square minus 9D square is equal to 7 A square minus D square. Remove the bracket. 15 A square minus 15 lines are 135 D square is equal to 7 A square minus 7 D square. A square 1 kade togolri, D square 1 kade togolri. We get, so here 15 A square, keep it as it is. Now transfer this minus A square to plus A square to LHS side. It becomes minus 7 A square is equal to 135 minus 135 D square. Transfer this one to RHS side. We get, so plus 135 D square minus 7 D square. 15 minus 7 is 8A square. is equal to 128 d square, and also we have a value here. A value is 8, right? Substitute here. 8 square is 64. 8 into 64, 128 into d square. So 64 ones are 64 twos are. So here we have 8 is equal to 2d square. Then 2 ones are 2 fours are. D square is equal to, we have 4. Then what is the value of d here? D is equal to plus or minus 2. Here we have a is equal to 8 and d is equal to plus or minus 2. Now we have to find those 4 numbers, right? Consecutive numbers. When a is equal to 8 and d is equal to plus 2. Here we have d, two values. One is plus 2, another one is minus 2. So therefore, I will consider first a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 2. Now substitute here. A minus 3d, a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 3d. These are 4 consecutive numbers. Now substitute 8 and 2. So 8 minus 3 into 2, 8 minus 2, 8 plus 2, 8 plus 3 into 2. See here, 8 minus 3 to the 6, 8 minus 6 is 2, 8 minus 2, 6, 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 6, 3 to the 6, 6 plus 8 is 14. These are 4 consecutive numbers, first 4 consecutive numbers, when d is equal to 2. What about if d is equal to minus 2? If d is equal to minus 2 and a is equal to 8. I will write directly. So, here 8 minus 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. Minus into minus is plus. So, 8 plus 6. That is 14. Second one. 8 plus 12. So, 8 plus 2 is 10. Reverse order. 14, 10. Next 6. Next 2. These are the required consecutive numbers. Very, very important. 5 marks. Mark it down. So next question, very, very important 5 marks question. Okay, if m times of mth term of an AP is equal to n times of nth term of an AP. Here we have 2 APs. One is mth, that is a mth term. Another one is nth term. Both are having a m times and n times. Okay, both are equal here. And we have to show that m plus 1th term is 0. M plus 1th term is 0. And also given is here m is not equal to n. So first we will write given. So what is given here? We know that mth term or nth term of an AP is an. Then mth term of an AP is am. Right? So here given is m times of mth term. M into am. Second one is n times of nth term. N into an. So nth term, mth term. Right? So both are equal here. Both are equal. What do we have to show that? We have to show that m plus 1th term is equal to 0. M plus 1 is 0. Right? So here consider m into am is equal to n into an. It is given, right? What is mth term of an AP? We know that nth term is a plus n minus 1 into the formula. When it is m, then substitute n equal to m here. A plus m minus 1 into d. This is LHS. What about nth term? That is n into a plus n minus 1 into d. Now remove the bracket. We get m into a is ma plus or am. Choice is yours. M into d into m minus 1. M into d into m minus 1. Similarly, RHS also. An plus nd into n minus 1. Now take this an to LHS. We get am minus an is equal to nd into n minus 1. Keep it as it is. Now take this term to RHS. It becomes minus md m minus 1. Here we have common a. Take it outside. Here we remains with the m minus n is equal to. Here we have common d. D is common. So take it outside. And here we remains with n into n minus 1 minus m into m minus 1. Right? Now remove the bracket. We get a into m minus n, d into n is n square minus n minus m square minus into minus plus m into 1 is m. And we have a into m minus n. LHS is as it is. In RHS part, d into. So n square minus m square. N square minus m square. Make it one group. Second one is I will take minus n outside. We remains with n minus m. Right? Now this LHS is as it is. A into m minus n is equal to d into. This can also be written as a square minus b square formula. A plus b into a minus b. Then this can also be written as n square minus m square is equal to n plus m, n minus m minus n minus m. See, observe the RHS part. D into. Here we have n minus m, n minus 1 common, right? I will take that one outside. N minus m. And here we remains with m plus n minus 1. M plus 1 minus m plus n minus 1. Now next, I will remove this bracket because all are multiplication only, right? All are in the form of product only. Here m minus n, here we have n minus m. Shall I take this one minus n outside? A into m minus n is equal to minus d into m minus n and m plus n minus 1. Next, here these two get cancelled and we remains with a is equal to minus d into m plus n minus 1 in minus 1. Now take this whole term to this side. So we get a plus d m plus n minus 1 is equal to 0. So here what is the question? M plus nth term it is. M plus nth term is 0. M plus n. M plus 1th term. Okay, m plus nth term. Yes, here in place of a we have first term as it is. In place of n we have m plus n. That is m plus nth term. So this can also be written as a m plus n is equal to 0. So here we are going to write a mth term as a plus m minus 1 into d. Similarly, nth term is defined as a plus n minus 1 into d. Then how you are going to write a m plus nth term? M plus nth term. Wherever n is there, we have to replace m plus n, right? So a plus m plus 1, m plus n minus 1 into d. Check it. Both are same, right? So therefore, a m plus nth term is 0. Note it down. Very, very important. So next term, next problem. Find the sum of first 22 terms of AP 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. Here we have to find the sum of first 22 terms. Sum of first 22 terms. Right? So solution. Here given is given AP 8, 3, minus 2 and so on. What is A here? A is equal to 8. What is the common difference? 3 minus 8 minus 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. What is n here? N is equal to given, that is 22 terms, first 22 terms, right? So n is equal to 22. What is Sn formula? Sum of n terms formula. Sum of n terms formula. We know that. That is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? Very, very important formula. Is Maringilla. So now substitute the given values. Divided by, 22 divided by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into, what is d here? Minus 5. Now remove the bracket and carefully simplify. Here 2 ones are 2 11s are 2 8s are 16. That is 11 into 16 plus 21. Here plus into minus is minus 5 5. So this implies 11 into 16 minus 21 5 is 105. So 16 minus 105 is 11 into minus 89. So minus 89 into 11 is minus 979. So the sum of first 22 terms is 9 minus 979. Write it down. Very good. So let us next example. How many terms of an AP? That is the given AP is 24, 21, 18 and so on. Must be taken so that their sum is 78. How many number of terms we have to take? That is n we have to find here. So here given AP is given AP 24, 21, 18 and so on. What is A is equal to? So that is first term is 24. What is common difference? 21 minus 4, 24 minus 3, 18 minus 21 minus 3. So what is D here? Minus 3. What is Sn here? Sn is 78. The sum of terms is 78. Right? Here we have to find n value. Right? We have to find n. So we know that sum of n terms formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Right? So substitute the given terms. Sn is 78. N we don't know. That is only we have to find. Right? So keep it as it is. N by 2 into 2. What is A here? 24 plus n we don't know. Keep it as it is. N minus 1. What is D here? Minus 3. Now simplify this one. So 2 into, transfer this 2 to LHS. 78 to the 156 is equal to n into, now remove the bracket. 2 into 24, 48 plus into minus, minus 3 into n minus 1. So 156 is equal to n into 48 minus 3n minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3. Remove the bracket. So 156 is equal to n into 48 plus 3, 51 minus 3n. So again remove the bracket. 156 is equal to n into 51 is 51n. n into 3n is 3n square. 3n square. Now transfer these two terms to LHS. We get minus 3n to LHS. We get plus 3n square. Minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. Now here coefficient, n square coefficient is 3 and also 51 is also multiple of 3. 156 is also multiple of 3. So whole divided by 3 we can do. So we get here n square minus 17n plus 3 5s are 3 2s are, that is 52 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. Now simplify this equation. So by middle term expansion. Okay. First term and last term multiple 52. So multiples of 52 is here 226 are 52. 3 3 ones are multiples of 3 ಒಳಗಿಲ್ಲ 52 is not there in 3, right? Fourth table, so 4 13s are, right? 4 13s are 52, right? Now in the middle term expansion we have 17, so addition of these two, sum of these two is minus 17, sum of these two is a minus 17, product of these two is a plus 52, so what do you have to do? So minus, so therefore this can also be written as n square minus 4n minus 13n plus 52 is equal to 0. n common, take it n common, so n minus 4 minus 13 common, so n minus 4 is equal to 0. Here n minus 4 is common, take it outside and we remains with n minus 13 is equal to 0. Here we have n is equal to 4 or n is equal to 13, n is equal to 4 or n is equal to 13. So therefore either the number of terms are 4 or 13, both the values are acceptable. So therefore the number of terms are 4 or 13. Note it down. The next example, find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Previous two examples they only given that AP, right? First term, common difference, easily we can find. By using those things, we are going to substitute in SN formula, we are going to get the n value or sum of the nth term value. But here in this case, they have given nth term of an AP. First we have to list the terms of AP, after that we are going to find the sum of first 24 terms, right? So solution, here given nth term is an is equal to 3 plus 2n. First we find some list of numbers. So put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1 here. A1, we get A1, that is first term. So A1 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 1, because n value is 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. A1 is 5. Put n is equal to 2. Then A2 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 2. 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. N is equal to 3. A3 is equal to 3 plus 2 into 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now observe the pattern 5, 7, 9. So therefore, the APR 5, 7, 9. Next number will be 11 and so on. Right? Now here A is equal to 5. First term is 5. What is the common difference here? 2. Because 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 11 minus 9 is also 2. So therefore common difference is 2. And what is n here? Here n is given, that is 24th term. So n is equal to 24. What do we have to find? Yes, 24. The sum of first 24 terms. So formula, we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now given value substitute here. Yes, 24 is equal to 24 divided by 2 into 2 into, what is A here? 5 plus 24 minus 1 into, what is A? D? 2. Right? Now simplify, we get 2 ones are 2, 12s are 24. So 12 into 5 2s are 10 plus 24 minus 1 is 23. 23 2s are 46. So 46 plus 10 is 56. So 12 into 56. So 56 12s are 12 72, 12 60, 67, so it is 6 72 is the sum of first 24 terms. So ಇವತ್ತ ಇಷ್ಟ ಸಾಕು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಒಳಗ 3 types of problems solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಒಂದು 5 marks ನ 2 important problems solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Next, the sum of nth term. How to find the sum of nth term? For example, first example one number ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು and given AP. By using those AP, we have to find the sum of first nth term. But in the last example, here they have given nth term of an AP. By using this, we have to find the list of numbers of an AP, and by using those numbers, we have to find nth term of 24th terms of the sum of 24th terms. So, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕುಂತು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೂ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.